introduce to you a website compliance tool that I put together using Google Sheets. If you're interested in this, my contact details are at the end of the video. So it's a really simple spreadsheet. There are just 2 pages on here. The first page, the detailed page, gives you everything that's in the new Ofsted requirements for a school website. They were updated in December 2022, and you can see this is the general information: school name, postal address, and so on. To use the tool, simply you look at your website. Is the school name there? Yes, the school name is there. It could be a no, it could be a non-applicable. Obviously the school name is always applicable, but it could be a no. It would be unusual, but it could be a no. And you simply go down each of the items, clicking yes, no, or not applicable. The spreadsheet links to DfE guidance. There's the guidance there about school uniform policy. And there are 2 spreadsheets. One is for local authority maintained schools, and one is for academies and preschools. These are only for primary schools at the moment. If you're a secondary school head and you would like me to create one for you, let me know. As you go down, you can see that there are some things that I've left as no. So here on admission arrangements, if you're a selective school, I've left that as no. So that means this is a selective school. But for some reason, there are arrangements for selecting pupils on the website. Of course, that could be a mistake, and actually it could be they're not a selective school and that needed to be non-applicable. It's up to you. You work your way through. When you've got to the end, and the end is just about values and ethos and requests for paper copies, when you've got to the end, you go to the overview. Now, the overview reads all of the information from the detailed page and presents it to you here. So you can see very quickly that Test School meets the standards for school information. That's all there. It doesn't meet the standards for admissions. It does for school values and so on. The red bar is always the information that has been found. The blue bar is always the total amount of information there should be. So for SEND, there should be 7 different items of information, and they're all present on this school's website. You can click on any of these headlines and the headline will take you back to the detailed view, and the detailed view will show you the areas where your website is not compliant. So here, the website's not compliant with arrangements for selecting pupils, but they put non-applicable. So I think they probably don't select pupils, and so maybe we could put not a selective school. And going further down, they haven't put a deadline for lodging appeals, which allows those. So that's a fairly simple thing to change. And so maybe a note would be in there to set deadline and update the website. Now, if we go back to the overview tool, we can still see that admissions is short, but we know what the actions are to take for admissions. And so our next step is simply to take those actions and to rerun the compliance tool. As you can see, it's a very simple tool. I can share this with you and you can run it yourself on your school website, go through your website and use the tool. Or you can get in touch with me and ask me to do it for you on your school website. My contact details are on the last couple of pages. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you found that video useful, please consider subscribing to my channel or liking the video. You can find out more about my work at my website, chintali.co.uk, on my Facebook page or on my LinkedIn profile. If you want to email me, my email address is inquiries@chintali.co.uk. Thanks for watching.